Hello everyone and welcome to Boobdee's World Cuisine. This is hot chocolate, not just any hot chocolate, it's an Italian style hot chocolate. Now, you can't always go to Italy to have their rich, creamy hot chocolate, but you can make it at home with very few ingredients. And once you get to make them, you would want to make them again and again. I warn you, it's addictive, it's very rich, creamy, and to die for. So if you're ready, I can show you exactly how to make it. It's pretty simple, just stay tuned. To start with, I'm gonna put some whole milk in a pan. Now what I want to do is put my heat to low and I want to bring it to a simmer. While that's happening, I want to prepare my key ingredient, which is chocolate. Now you want to choose your chocolate wisely. Obviously you need dark chocolate, and I'm using good quality chocolate that really enhances the flavor of that hot chocolate. Now I know how much I need, but I'm still using a scale because I'm doing a recipe video, so it's wise to use the scale. Now you want to chop them really fine, not fine, you want to chop them really well so that it's easier to melt them, and before you know they will be chopped and all ready. Now this is quite a lot of chocolate, and that's exactly how Italians make their hot chocolate, rich and creamy. Next we need to prepare a mixture. For that I have taken a bowl and a sieve. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of cornstarch here. Yes, we need cornstarch to thicken up our hot chocolate. You always want to sieve your dry ingredients. Okay, now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now you definitely want to use a good quality so that your hot chocolate tastes delicious. There is nothing like sieving your cocoa powder. It always has lumps and eliminates the chance of having lumps in your final cup of hot chocolate. Anyways, it's done now, and I'm gonna put a pinch of salt to sweeten up it. Now what you want to do is give it a stir to mix everything, and while we were preparing these, our milk has warmed up. So what you want to do is put a little bit of milk on this mixture and give it a good stir. You want to keep stirring until you get a slur. So this is something you want to prepare beforehand so that there is no lumps. Now I'm putting 2 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten up my hot chocolate. It's a preference. You can completely skip sugar. You can go with 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. It's your choice. Now I'm putting the slur mixture we prepared before with cornstarch and cocoa powder. Once you put that, you want to whisk it so that it doesn't get a chance to form lumps. And because it has cornstarch, it will thicken up the milk. So don't let it thicken up too much, otherwise it will be not like a hot chocolate. So keep an eye, keep stirring, and once you see that it's getting to start thick, you want to put your chocolates and all of it goes in. Once you put your chocolate, you'll see that the milk will very quickly become very thick. So you want to give it a good stir, and the hotness of the milk will melt away all the chocolate. That's what you want, and it's almost ready. The consistency should be something like this, a pouring consistency, and now it's time to pour it in my cup. So my hot chocolate is all ready. I shouldn't say hot chocolate, my Italian hot chocolate is all ready, and look how rich and creamy it is, and it tastes delicious. Now because I have to do some photo shoots, I have put some cookies here, but you don't need any cookies or anything at all. This hot chocolate on its own is delicious, and on a winter night or a winter evening, it's yum. Anyways, thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care, and I really hope you'll make it at home and enjoy. Take care and bye.